Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Chris Television. We are here with Darin Brown. He is the project manager on the Estero Boulevard project on Fort Myers Beach, and he is going to give us a project update and let us know what's going on over here.
Morning, everybody. I'm Darin with Chris-Tel. I have been on the Estero Boulevard project for over 6 years now. We started back in October of 2015 in segment 1, which was the very north end of the island. Fast forward 6 years later, we are now down at the south end of the island on segment 5 and 6, 2-mile stretch to finish this project out. Currently, we are on track to pave out the southbound lane. All the structural course will be done towards the end of this year and wrap this entire project up in early 2022. About 6.5 years worth of construction work on a very interesting and challenging project in more than one sense. We've had a couple milestones so far on 5 and 6. The bay side is complete all the way down to the end of the island, just before where the new bridge project will start. Crews are working on the southbound lane, which is the beach side, wrapping it up. This very last section of pipe that connected S222 to S224 was installed last week. That is the last storm drain crossing on this entire project. Sounds trivial, but it's actually a pretty significant milestone in all the work that we've done and the hours that we've put in on this job. For those of you who don't know, Estero Boulevard is the main thoroughfare on Fort Myers Beach. It's 6 miles from bridge to bridge. The purpose of this project was to improve usability and drainage down here. We didn't really change traffic flow or improve traffic flow significantly. What we did was improve pedestrian and bike facilities to allow traffic and the pedestrians to coexist in a more effective and efficient manner. What they did was put sidewalks on both sides of the road where previously it only existed on the bay side, so now there are pedestrian facilities on both sides all the way down the island. There are bike lanes incorporated into the travelway. New center turn lanes and crosswalks have been installed at key locations, as well as trolley stops, so the buses can actually pull off out of traffic to pick up tourists and move them to the next destination without impacting the traffic flow like they once did. We've had a pretty good time down here. It's been a challenge, I'll say that, for everybody involved, from the contractors to the construction management side to the engineering. It's been a major group effort with the design engineers in the county the whole way through. We've had some real interesting challenges with other utility providers like FP&L, Comcast, CenturyLink, and private providers, trying to coordinate our efforts to get this job done, as well as with the town of Fort Myers Beach. They installed a brand new potable water main system ahead of us throughout this entire route. So that was a coordinated step-by-step effort, sharing MOTs and moving traffic to work well with each other the whole way through. It's bittersweet to see this thing come to an end. It's been a staple in my career for the past 6 years, and a project that we're all definitely proud of, that we learned from, that we experienced, and we've got a lot of stories. That's really the updates for Estero Boulevard, segment 5 and 6. We should see the finished project in early 2022 and be wrapping this one up and get ready to move on to the next one.
Thank you, Darin.